Welcome back to my channel. It's Faith. If you're new, if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I would love it if you subscribe. Now, statistics have shown that at least 63% of the persons who watch my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe to the channel. It's free, it doesn't cost anything, and it would definitely help me out a lot. Now, today is the 26th of May. I haven't been vlogging for a while. Also, let's address the elephant in the room. I uploaded this video on Thursday, I think, of my closet wall. So if you haven't already checked it out, head over and go check out the things in them. You get me? So yeah, I haven't been vlogging as much. Last weekend, which was like the 20th of May weekend, I was in Toronto. I did not vlog in Toronto. I went to Ikea, which I would insert some footage of that. Getting ready to go to just to run some errands. I'm going to Home Sense to see what they have. My mirror broke, as you would have seen on the previous vlog. My hair dry. I have to do the try on portion for this dress today. The dress that I made, you would have already seen this video, so if you haven't checked it out as yet, this is my designer inspired dress. Go check out the video, please, and thank you.
Same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, lil' baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my rider. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow.
So the first mirror I bought was from in here. It was for like $79. This is the type of mirror that I want. I get this. How much for this? You see? $129. You can't just spend money for it. No. Let's see. I love this. Like, not love, but it's cute. And there's the arched one in the back for $300, but Lord Jesus, I don't really have much options. I like this one. This one in the back is not bad. one is $115, which I don't mind either.
On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. Okay.
No, there's also this one, but it's scuffed up. I think that's why it's reduced. It's like $43, but I could buy some wood filler and fix the scuffs and then put this in my beauty room, but I don't know. I love the frame though.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but
so I got the mirror. I couldn't leave it. Like the size and the frame, I couldn't leave it. It needs some love, which shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, I'm super happy that I got it. I also picked up 2 candles. I got this one and I got mahogany teak wood, and I was also looking for, this is just a temporary mirror to hold place for now, and I was looking for some matchsticks to go in here, but the ones that I came across, they were too long and I didn't feel to cut it, so I'm on the hunt for some matches to go in here.
don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it.
So I'm gonna start taking down, well, these 5, I'm gonna take them down to start prepping for the mirror.
You in a text voice, note or an emoji. Waiting on day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch, yeah. Wanna do? I speak the truth, yeah. You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love, love. you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Just for a while. Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love.